Hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to test your typing speed online. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should go to this website, monkeytype.com, and then after that, uh, type monkeytype.com, and then after that, you should come to this page. And here you can click on time. Then after that you should type I will not set most long early from station I follow Samra. As you can see, the VPM is 45 and the ACC is 88%. Yeah, that's how you can test your typing speed online. That's it, guys. Hope you like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.